Okay, we're gonna do this cinnamon challenge. This is
Take it.
here. Some yours. Why is that?
Cause what if I puke? It's a possibility.
I'm shaking. How should you put it?
Look at my spoon.
Okay. That's not even right. That smells ratchet. Yeah.
Yeah.
Do you want to do it with us, Mommy?
I think she thinks we're talking about the cake. Okay. You're gonna do it, right? You're not gonna wimp out on me.
Should we do it one at a time because we know that we're not gonna do it at the same time?
No, we're doing it at the same time. Okay.
No, you're not gonna do it.
Yeah, I am. Okay.
I'm not gonna do it. Mom, we're not exactly. Just stay up. Oh my god. I'm scared now. Mom, we're not. Mom, we're kind of eating cinnamon.
Oh, don't eat cinnamon, guys. Why are you doing it?
We're recording it. Get off.
Whoa. Ew, don't do it, girls. That's gross.
You better do it. Oh my god, I'm gonna kill you.
Does it hurt?
No, it's just really dry.
Ew, girl. I'm gonna burst out.
I'm gonna poop.
Don't take as good either. Why did you guys do that?
Oh,
Oh.
Why did you guys do it?